and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Joe Lyske of Time Machine Capital, and we're at EBA Day 2016 in Milan. Thank you for joining me.
Hi.
How would you describe artificial intelligence?
Well, artificial intelligence is essentially giving the machine the ability to adapt itself and learn, rather than basically being told how to handle a task reactively. So it's essentially giving an algorithm the ability to write an algorithm, to adapt itself to data. This is really interesting because we can consider it in this industry as a suite of tools which have matured, and that maturity has come through several different things which have happened in recent years. First of all, we've got processing power that we didn't have before, so we can handle things much quicker and we can ask questions that we couldn't simply answer in the past. Second of all, we've got lots of data that we can play with. You know, the fact that we have that connected to social platforms, mobiles, we are getting this massive plethora of data that we can use to play with it. So, in essence, AI is the ability to be able to process this information in this modern way in a much more effective manner.
So why are people in transaction services talking about AI now?
Well, I suppose it's very timely. The thing is when they're talking about any technology, the thing that always crops up is, with any fintech, how do I interface to a legacy system? How do I cope with the fact that all of this stuff goes back to the 1970s? So AI really gives that bridge. It's like a scaffolding that you can build automatically around a building, and eventually that scaffolding can hold that building up. It can be stronger than the building itself, and it can make new connections across that building which can't be done through the building itself. So the relevance of AI right now is the fact that it's managing to, let's not think about legacy systems as legacy anymore. They're here to stay, because there's no drivers to actually replace them. So AI is a way of interfacing to those legacy systems and opening them up to the future.
So which specific areas of banking are receptive to AI?
Specific areas would be ones which are prone to these new techniques. So these new techniques give us the ability to, rather than optimize on past data, actually simulate future scenarios and ask questions about them. So those techniques are very applicable to things like compliance and risk and liquidity.
Joe, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching.